Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to cook pancit, but before that we are going to pick a green onion from our little garden. Let's go. So this is where we're going to pick our green onions, and I'm just gonna pick all of this because they are getting big, ready to pick. And we're just going to garnish this in our pancit. See, it's good when you have something planted in your ground. So this is it. We have all of this. I think this is enough. Let's go inside and we're gonna start cooking. So this is the pancit that we have to use. A vermicelli and a pancit canton. This is the kind of brand that I like. And garlic, onion, carrots, celery, and I don't have cabbage. That's why I made this pancit today, because I have this romaine lettuce and I have a lot of them, and I don't want them to get rotten out in my fridge. So I'm gonna put that in our pancit. I have chicken. I already boiled the chicken because I don't like handling raw chicken. And we have green onions from our little garden and a green beans that we bought from the store. So let's go start cooking. So we're going to soak our vermicelli for like 5 minutes or 5 seconds or 5 minutes. That will be perfect. We're just gonna soak it and then rinse it out. So right here we're gonna pour some cooking oil. First thing that we have to do, we have to cook our vegetable. We'll start from the green beans. I didn't slice it now. My green beans is already washed, ready to eat or to cook. So we're just gonna pan fry this, and then we're gonna cook the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna put some salt, and then we'll just continue cooking. Next, we're gonna put our carrots and celery. So we're just gonna mix it like that and wait until all these vegetables get tender. We are going to put our romaine lettuce right here. And then we're just gonna let this wilted. We'll cover it. So we are going to remove our vegetables. So that's our vegetable. We're gonna start sauteing our meat. Saute black garlic. I like a lot of garlic in my pancit because pancit, it tends to taste better when it have a lot of garlic on it. So we're just gonna brown this onion. chicken. Soy sauce. Fish sauce. Black pepper. Oyster sauce. Just gonna mix it. I like the color of my meat like that. I don't like white meat in my pancit. We are not gonna put salt because we put already soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce. So we're just gonna saute it. So we're gonna pour some chicken stock. And then we're just gonna let this boil until all the spice that we put in our meat will combine. We're gonna put 1 cube of bouillon chicken. To make it more special, we'll put some crab imitation. If you don't have crab imitation, that's fine. You don't have to put this. This is optional. But since I have this in my fridge, I don't want it to go, you know, out of the expiration date. So I'm just gonna put it in our pancit. So we're just gonna boil this, our broth, and then we're gonna add our pancit. Next, we're gonna put our vermicelli or rice sticks. And I don't want my noodles to get so little. So we're not gonna mix it. We're not gonna over mix this. Just like that. Then we'll let it boil. Next, we're going to put our pancit canton, the yellow noodles. We don't want to over mix it, so we're just gonna do it like that, because we don't want our noodles to get like this thin, short. We're gonna cover it. Now it's time to mix it. Just gonna mix. Ooh. We have a lot in our pot. Make sure your stove is on the medium heat or low heat. Gently mix, because we don't want to eat some crumpled pancit. Special. This is a very special noodles. To me, this is my favorite pancit. Every time I make pancit, this is the way I make mine. There's a lot of Filipino recipe regarding pancit, and you can check it out also. But try mine too. So we're just gonna do like that until all our pancit will be cooked. When you mixed it, start from the bottom, just the way I do it. So we're gonna put our onions. We're gonna put our green onion, because I want it cooked. I don't want it raw. So we're just gonna continue mixing this, guys. Next, we're gonna put our vegetables. Vegetables. We're just gonna mix this. So we're done cooking, guys. This is ready to serve. So let's go. Let's try it if it tastes really good. So our pancit is ready. So I like to eat with Hawaiian bread along with this, because that's how I get used to eat in the Philippines. So let's eat our pancit and we'll try it. In my province, this is how we eat our pancit. We put it in the bun like that, and just eat it. I'm sorry about that. It's good, guys. Thank you so excuse me. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Leave your comment down below and like and share, subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.